traders, welcome to another video from RLTR Group. So today we are going to talk about how the market is going to be behaving on the 23rd of April 2021 and what are the key levels that we need to watch before we expire this on Friday. And let us go ahead and try to understand what has happened in the market. So today the market was a mad bull. That's what you can expect. Bank Nifty just went crazy after a certain level. So if I want to tell you one very good thing about the markets are doing a lot of V-shaped recoveries, guys. So, of course, there is a lot of money being a directional trader, but if you change your mindset and trade the direction as per your setup, instead of having a biased view, will give you a lot of money. So, the same pattern actually happened here. The same thing happened here as well. And this got extended a lot. So, there are big waves which are coming over here, guys. And you need to understand that this is all because of a volatility and uncertainty in the market. So how do you manage this? At this moment, I can fairly tell you that the biggest and the most important level that I want Bank Nifty to cross tomorrow is somewhere around 31,843. So if it is going to cross 31,843, then we can look for a quick target of somewhere around 126 points. But if that sustains, then there is going to be another target over here of 32,207 that we will be able to capture. So what you can do is you can actually deem this particular place as a no trading zone and understand this. Now, if you want to trade the downside, the only thing that you would need to do is draw this particular trend line, and wherever it breaks, please understand one single factor, that if let's say it breaks over here at this zone, all right, you would need to wait for the previous swing to also be broken before you go ahead and initiate a trade. Okay, and that will actually give you a bit more idea about how things are going to happen. So remember, just skip these numbers. So between 31,515 to 31,400. So the reason why I tell you is, whichever swing that you see and on whatever point that this trend line breaks, please ignore the previous swing, and when the other one breaks out, and initiate the trade. So if this swing breaks, I'm going to initiate the trade over here at 31,379, and I'm going to be looking for an easy peasy target over here until 31,233. So until Bank Nifty is coming below this level of 30,400, we will not be in a lot of bear pressure, but we would still be volatile between this range, because this range is literally more than 1,300 points that are actually felt here. So please understand that, and please trade very carefully, reduce your quantity so that you can have more advantage on the next one. Now, even in Nifty, of course, Nifty has also become a crazy fellow. There is always a dip, a rise, a dip, a rise, a dip, and then a rise, a dip, and then a rise, and it is quite confusing. So if you have a directional view, you can actually be murdered in this scenario. So I want you to save yourself by not taking any unwanted and unnecessary trades, and reduce it with very low quantity, because the month of April is going to get even more volatile at the last leg. So until this trend line is broken, I will not be taking any trade here. Please ensure that if this swing is broken, you will wait for the next swing to break out, and then is when you will trade when the trend line breaks. And if I'm looking for the targets on an upside, I will wait for this particular 14,400 to break, and then I think I can easily look for a fair enough target over here onto the spot as well, to 14,526. So this would be my levels for tomorrow, and please do not be bearish until we cross 14,164, because that is going to be a very critical level. So wherever we cross tomorrow, I think we are going to make a lot of money. I wish and I pray that you make a lot of money as well. I hope my analysis is helping you. Yesterday's analysis worked like a charm. Thank you so much for giving me personal messages about that. Such a great profits that you have earned, and I hope and pray that each and every one of you who is watching this video does the same. So thank you so much for your time. I wish you have a beautiful day ahead. Jai Hind, take care. We'll see you tomorrow on another video. Take care. Goodbye.